Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Raeanna, for those of you that don't know me. I know it's been a while. Some things have happened, some things have changed in my life, and I've tried for so long to perfect how I would tell my story, how I would share this news, and I've come to the realization that there is no perfect way to tell it. I just have to tell it in its rawness and in its truth. And that's what I'm here to do today. Back in 2022, I had just graduated from grad school. A few months prior to graduating, I did notice a lump under my armpit that I didn't think anything of. I had recently accomplished all these amazing things in my life. I just felt like everything was on the right track. I did everything I was supposed to and things were falling into place. Literally a month after starting my big girl job after grad school, I received the worst news. What started out as a small lump under my armpit turned into a cancer diagnosis. I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma, which is a cancer of the lymphatic system, and I'm here today to start telling my story. Getting diagnosed with cancer, going down a holistic route, going alkaline vegan, completely changing my lifestyle, complete 360, and trying to nurse myself back to health with herbs, the help of an herbalist, holistic doctors, holistic wellness, and natural cancer treatment, to later on ultimately doing chemotherapy. It's so hard for me to talk about this. There's so much to be told. For the past 2 to 3 years, I have been documenting my journey from cancer to cancer-free. I am still currently in my journey. God provides everything that we need to heal, and I don't think it was ever intended for it to be in the form of toxic drugs. So I was skeptical about chemotherapy. I instead pursued a holistic route where I relied on diet changes, herbs, and extreme lifestyle changes, completely turning my life upside down, changing the things that I eat, the things that I use, the things that I breathe, the things that I do. It's everything that I eat, sleep, breathe, imagine, I completely changed. And then I eventually found Utopia Wellness and Cancer Center, where I started doing a holistic cancer treatment program. I made a complete 360 in every aspect of my life to navigate my way through this health crisis. I've shifted my lifestyle to one that's more focused on clean living and clean eating, non-toxic household products, foods. I previously did natural hair videos, tutorials, product reviews here on this channel, but cancer has completely changed my outlook on everything that I use on, in, or near my body. For the past 2 to 3 years, I have been gluten-free, sugar-free, all the allergens free, dairy-free, completely alkaline vegan if you're not familiar with that diet. I've completely made a 360 in every aspect of my life. Like anything that you can think of, I'm not doing it anymore, or I'm doing it differently today. There's no way that I could ever do myself justice in telling my story in just one video. But my goal here with my channel going forward is to share my journey with you all and highlight the changes that I've made in my life as I navigate my way back to good health, because ultimately I want to share my journey so that it inspires someone else, or it can help someone else. I was relatively health conscious prior to being diagnosed with cancer, but I think personally for me there was a lot of emotional trauma and unresolved conflict, things of that nature, that played a big role in being diagnosed with cancer. I can't say that I can pinpoint one exact thing. I've gotten that question before, but I do know my body, and I know the things that I've experienced, I know the things that I've been through, and through research and learning and just going through my journey, I have learned that there's so many things that can affect your health. Stress can literally make you sick. So it's not just about the foods you eat, it's not just about the products you use. Those play a big role, but it's also about the emotional well-being of yourself, your soul, your mind. It's so much more than just the physical body, it's what's inside as well. I've done so much work on myself, on the external, the internal, and I'm here to share that journey with you all today. I've captured most of it. Some parts are really hard, and the last thing I thought about was picking up a camera, and some parts I couldn't help but share. So moving forward, this channel is going to be a documentation of my journey. I am all the frees that you can think of: chemical free, fragrance free, gluten free, sugar free. Throughout this journey, I have done it all. Okay, I did the herbs, I did the alkaline vegan diet for 2 years, I did the holistic natural treatment, the vitamin C IVs, the ozone therapy, the hyperbaric, oxygen therapy, the lymphatic drainage, the colonic irrigation. I've done it all. I've done the therapy. I've even done the chemo to come back and tell you all about it. I've spent every single dime that I had on my health. I had a GoFundMe, which you can find in the description box, where I share details about the treatment that I was doing and what I was raising money for. I've spent over $50,000 on my health alone. I've had some good days, I've had a lot of bad days. I've cried, I've laughed, I've smiled, had drills going in my back. I've had an IV line in my vein every single day for months at a time. I've done it all. I've had tubes and needles everywhere in my body. I picked myself up a million times. I did not let this take me over. I've had really bad, dark thoughts at times. I've been through so much in the past 2 years, and I just kept picking myself up. You know how you go to sleep and everything is okay, and then you wake up and you remember your situation and it just hurts all over again? Just like, damn, another day of this. At the same time, there was also this feeling of, damn, I made it another day. It's been a roller coaster. No words could ever describe accurately what I've been through. I share some of my most intimate moments with you guys, the good, the bad, the ugly. A lot of the bad I didn't record because I wasn't thinking about recording. You know, some moments were just too hard to even think about picking up the camera. So I'm just so eternally grateful for just being here and able to tell my story today. Uncertainty, doubt, just not even knowing if I would make it out to the other side of this. I hope that my journey will inspire you to make better habits in your life and really just change your perspective on life. A lot of the problems that used to be problems for me today are not problems for me, because it's like, I had cancer. I've been through one of the hardest things somebody can go through, and I'm still here today. So I can't say it all in this video. I have so much to say, so much to tell you, but I have to start somewhere, and that starts with this video. I just really hope that in any way that my video can help somebody. Or if you just want to see what it's like and taking the natural route, going the holistic route, doing it naturally for years, and then turning around and having to do chemotherapy. I was still working through this journey. I was still trying to show up in other areas of my life. I've spent most of my journey living by myself and trying to take care of myself. I don't feel that I had the support I would have expected from my village. I'm just a girl. Like, at the end of the day, I'm really just a girl. Like, how did this happen to me? I don't know. Thank you for watching today's video. I almost don't want it to end because it's like, wait, I have so much to tell you. But I'm gonna save it for another video. One video is not ever gonna do me justice. So if you want to see what the day-to-day looked like for me in the past 2 years, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, so you can see my future videos. I've grown so much from this journey. It wasn't all bad, but all praise to the Most High for allowing me to still be here and wake up every single day to still be here and tell my story. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I wish I could say it all in just this one video, but there are definitely more videos to come. If you guys have any questions, comments, or you just want to say hi, because I know it's been a while, please leave a comment in the comment section, and stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, so that you can keep up with all my future content. And I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.